Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need your phone and your Gmail open. Start now. First, install Google Authenticator if not already installed, then sign into Gmail and go to Security two-step verification. Once there, choose Authenticator app as your method and click Setup to reveal a QR code. Make sure your device camera has permission and scan the code. If scanning fails, use the manual key option. Stay focused. This step links your account to the app, so do not close the browser until you confirm. Once you've scanned or entered the manual key, watch the 6-digit code appear in the app. It changes every 30 seconds, so act quickly. Enter that current code into Gmail's verification field and press Verify to confirm the link between your account and the app. After verification, enable two-step verification if prompted, and review trusted devices so you don't get locked out. Make sure to generate and store backup codes now. They save you if your phone is lost or reset. You're almost done. Save printed or digitally stored backup codes and add a backup phone number for recovery. That prevents lockout. Test the setup by signing out and signing back in with your Gmail, using the Authenticator code when prompted. If codes are rejected, make sure your phone's time is set to automatic network time. Incorrect time causes failures. If problems persist, use one of your backup codes or the backup phone, and then reconfigure the Authenticator app if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.